Hello everyone. In this session we'll see a question on solutions of non-linear equations using Regula-Falsi method. So it says for the equation x to the power of 2.2 equal to 69 has a root between 5 and 8. Use Regula-Falsi method to find it. So we can say that f of x equal to 0 is actually x to the power of 2.2 minus 69 equal to 0, and we need to find the roots. The interval is also given, so let's see what is the value for f of 5 and f of 8. This is going to be 5 to the power of 2.2 minus 69, which is definitely negative, and it is minus 34.05067. We'll take up to 4 decimal places. Now f of 8, which is 8 to the power of 2.2 minus 69, is going to be positive, and this is 28.0058. So as per the Regula-Falsi method, we can, let's say this is x0, and let's say this is x1. So this function value is nothing but f of x0, or directly f0, and this is f1. Now we will have to find the value for the first iteration, which is x2 equal to f1 x0 minus f0 x1 divided by f1 minus f0. So this is f1 is 28.0058 into x0 is 5 minus f0 is minus 34.5067 into x1. So this x1 is 8 divided by f1 minus f0. So this is 28.0058 minus 34.5067. Calculating this, we'll get 6.6559. So this is our first iteration value, x2, right? x2. Now we'll have to find the value of f of x2 in this case, which is for 6.6559. So this is going to be minus 4.2756, which is negative. The other one we have is these and this value. So now the root lies between 6.665559 and 8. Why? Because this is a positive value, this is a negative value, and this is a negative value. So we have to pair up new negative and positive combination, right? Negative and positive combination. So that means it is going to be x equal to 8 and x is equal to 6.6559. Now, so we'll move for the next iteration. This is x3 is equal to, so it will be f2 into x1 minus f1 x2 by f2 minus f1, right? We are dropping the first combination because that is the combination of 5. So we'll drop 5, we'll keep 8, and we will also keep the new one, which is 6.6559, because they are having the opposite nature, like one is having positive and one is having negative value. So this is how we'll proceed, and in this case we'll put this values again, and this will be coming out. Of course you can put all the values here. So this will come minus 4.2756 into x1, which is 8, minus f1, which is 28.0058 into x2, which is 6.6559 divided by f of 2, which is minus 4.2756, and minus 20 f of 8, which is minus 28.0058. This will give the value as 6.8506. So this is x3. This is the approximate root as by the normal calculation. The root is approximately 6.8523. So this is very approximate to this value. X3 is going to be the approximate root, and if we see the number of iterations we did is 2. This is from the second iteration, and this x2 is from the first iteration. So there are always a possibility that they may ask you, rather asking the root or the solution, they may ask you what will be the value after 4 iteration. So after one iteration we have 6.6559, after second iteration we have 6.8506, and expectedly next, that is the third iteration, will give a more approximate value which will be more closer to 6.8523, which is the exact root, which we can calculate like using calculators and just to cross check. So this is the answer.